We have to communicate what's wrong, but we don't know the name of the car parts. So we rely on hand signals and sound effects to get our point across, right? But this one time I saw him fix a car by smelling the exhaust. Do you understand that he told this dude that he needed a new starter by smelling the exhaust? Could you imagine if this guy had applied himself and gone to medical school and become a doctor?
No, mijo, estás hasta el tronco de hypertension, mijo, ¿qué estás haciendo?
Hey guys, my name is Raymond Orta, man. You guys were a wonderful crowd. God bless you guys on the way home, man. God bless. Thank you so much.